Are you a entrepreneur, small business owner, or course creator that is trying to get more leads into your business? Well, I want you to listen to this short video, and I'm going to teach you the 3 strategies I use to help my 6 and 7 figure clients get more leads every day. My name is Monica Bravo, and I'm a lead generation expert. I help my clients get leads while they sleep. Not only do I help them get leads, I help them with funnels, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and more. So I want you to stay to the end of this video and click the like button, and I'm going to teach you more tips and tricks every Tuesday. So step number 1 is researching your ideal client, your audience. It is taking the time to understand them, to know them. One of my favorite ways to do this is just to get a piece of paper. So grab your pen and paper, and I want you to start thinking about all the different areas of life that your ideal customer is in. What are they reading? What are they eating? What is their favorite music? What is their favorite books they read? Are they married? Are they single? Are they divorced? These are very important questions. What is their income level? Where do they live? What language do they speak? Is it their birthday coming up soon? Are they getting married soon? Are they having a baby soon? How old are their babies? So these are all questions many people don't think about, but they need to understand. So step 2 is finding those ideal clients on social media, whether it's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or more. You have many choices. I want to focus on Facebook today because for me, it's one of the easiest places to find my ideal audience. So my number 2 step is actually going into Facebook audiences and researching the different audiences in Facebook. If you go to business.facebook.com, you can click the 3 little lines on the top and you can start researching, look for the audiences, researching your ideal audience. So you can understand the difference between, let's just say, a woman that is 40 to 60 years old wearing Lululemon and a woman that's 20 to 40 years old wearing Lululemon. You can see the different likes that they have. You can see what they like to do. Maybe you'll see if they're married. There's so many different tools that you can use. And the way to get your costs to decrease on your ads is to go a little bit deeper in your audiences. Don't go for just the top 5 people that come over into your head, right, that everybody knows about. Go deeper. So step 3 is actually saving your audience. Saving your audience in audience insights is very important because when you are going to launch your first campaign, your ads, you want to use 2 to 4 different audiences and test them. Because if you have an ad and you have 4 different saved audiences, which I like to save in groups of 10-year-old differences and with different interests, if you test these different audiences, you're going to understand who is really connecting with your message the most. Also, you'll know right away if your message is not speaking to your ideal audience. This is going to save you a lot of money. If you're testing 4 different audiences and 4 different ads, you're going to know who the ad speaks to the best. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video, and I want you to join my next 3-day challenge where we dive deep into audience insights and I show you how to target like a rock star your ideal client. So scroll down below, find the link, and join us.